father's word. Why did you marry him?
Edwin? I don't really know. He was an architect. He came down to plan an addition to my father's library. I was only 17. I remember I'd just finished a novel in which the heroine was kissed in the rose garden and lived happily ever after. So when Edwin kissed me in the orchard...
But it was different after you left the orchard. He didn't beat you, did he?
Oh, no. Poor Edwin. He never did anything. I'm afraid he wasn't even a very good architect. He couldn't have designed a house like this. Who did?
I did.
It reminds me of something. An old song or a poem.
Magic casements opening on the foam of perilous seas in fairylands forlorn.
That's Keats, isn't it?
The Nightingale.
Strange to find a sea captain quoting Keats.
Oh, life's slow at sea. Plenty of time for reading in the off watches.